Hello YouTube, it's Music Therapy Laz here doing a quick unboxing of a special gift I got from Brad Miller. Thank you, Brad Miller. By the way, if you guys are new to the channel, this is Music Therapy Laz. Laz is my nickname. This is Roxy climbing up my sweater here. And this channel is all about music and music therapy, and how music is not just therapy but a good way to get out your creative juices and let yourself express through music, and then find friends and other people on YouTube and elsewhere where you can collaborate and share your musical experiences. That's what I try to do here, and today I'm going to express one of my most fun things. I got to put these glasses on, which is opening packages. And generally it's something I buy, but this time I did not have to buy this. So Brad Miller, another YouTuber out there, watch out Roxy, he did a giveaway just the other day, and I am shocked how quickly this package came to me. Alright Roxy, you're gonna have to go here, otherwise you might lose a wing. I don't want to lose any fingers either. So I just sent out several packages myself to some viewers of my channel that were able to answer the questions that I had for them regarding the 12th Day of Christmas special that I did. I did some nice gifts for some people. Upside down, one set of headphones, and I threw in some strings for him too. 6 strings and 10 fingers, one guitar cable, I think Hack won a guitar cable, and Wayne of Wanna 31, all the way out in South Wales or something like that in England, won a cable. So they all went out today. But here we go. I just did the unboxing without officially doing the unboxing. So you saw me opening it, right? So let's see. I got to choose. I was the first winner, so I got to choose which one. And what this is a very cool card holder. So you can stick your cards in there or whatever you want. Maybe I can even stick a pedal in there. I don't know. Can I stick a pedal in there when I'm doing pedal demos? Yeah, it works as a pedal holder while doing pedal demos. Like, do that. So that's what I'm going to do a demo of shortly. I picked this up used at Broken Guitars in Oakland. It's a Catlin bread. I don't know if you can see that very well. I don't have the light set up perfectly right now. Catlin bread. Dirty little secret, yes. If you can tell by the knobs, those are Marshall-esque knobs. And what I got from Brad Miller, my awesome friend on YouTube, is this 4x12 cab and Stratocaster or S-type guitar with double humbuckers, which are like this guitar. It's the first guitar I bought after having sold my Custom Deluxe Plus Strat. Actually, it's not custom. Well, it wasn't custom, but it kind of was set up custom. So this is kind of like this, right? See? Double humbuckers. Double humbucker Strat, right? So this is actually a made in Mexico Stratocaster Fender blacktop Strat. It's got, I believe, they're Alnico 4 magnet type pickups in here. And I love this guitar. This is a great guitar. It's in that sonic blue, which almost looks white in certain light, right? But it is blue. Looks white like that, right? But if you look at it in the right light, it's actually a very light blue compared to my white Schecter here, which I still haven't gotten around to changing the strings. Now you can see the color difference, right? White versus the sonic blue. And I like the mint pickguard that they put on there with the they call it a blacktop Strat, I guess, because they have the knobs of a Fender blackface type amp, right? Those top hat style. I kind of like them on there. Kind of like the feel of those. Anyway, there goes Roxy. She's about to knock over my... Oh yeah, she can't knock over my phone. Last time she knocked over my phone because I had the tripod set up, but I got a much more sophisticated setup this time, which works a lot better. So even though I'm kind of under the bad light setup here, I have the angle towards the window here and the desk that I'm setting up. So I've got some equipment that I'm going to be setting up tonight, actually. Got to put this one table together so I can set the turntable that's under there up so I can listen to some records again, which will be really cool. And that stack of stuff right there is an Onkyo, and I believe a Now Hear This amplifier, an Onkyo receiver, and a Denon receiver. I'm going to choose between the Denon or the Onkyo, depending on how I like them. And I've got the speaker system set up in here, so still have some more stuff to do in the studio, but it's coming together. And just wanted to share this cool unboxing. Cool, right? Thank you, Brad. Oh, I didn't even read what he wrote. All right, let's see what he says. He says, Laz, thanks for hanging out. Really appreciate all the support you've given me, and so many others in this little community. Enjoy this little guitar. Take care and rock on. Metal, the metal sign, and Brad, pedal to the metal. Pretty cool. I like it. Yeah, I think this community is so awesome. You know, I actually started this channel a couple years ago. I think it was Christmas break when my better half was visiting her mom for Christmas, and it was too much for me to jump on that. It was a last minute decision, so she wanted to see her mom, and so she flew down to Peru, and I couldn't go, so I was home alone for Christmas, getting into all kinds of shenanigans. And one of those shenanigans was, of course, starting the YouTube channel, and I had no idea what I was doing or why I was doing it or what I was getting myself into. But I really have a desire to share my musical experiences and to share, you know, what's really important to me also is music therapy and how it helps people and how music is an excellent form of therapy. And even though I don't work in that field yet professionally, I do have a desire to do that, and you know, God willing, or whatever you believe in willing, that might very well happen. But until then, I'm going to try to do whatever I can to affect people in a positive way through music, and YouTube seems to be one heck of a way to do it outside of Instagram as well. But I think YouTube, the community that's building here is just really, really cool. So really enjoy that. Really appreciate everyone that's in the chats, always chatting and encouraging me, like Johnny Bean encouraged me to do Veda, the vlog every day in August thing. It's coming around again in April here, and hopefully I can get into NAMM so I can see some of these friends that I've made down there that are able to make it down there. I might have a way in, but it kind of fell through, but I'm hoping it might come back together. But if not, I might just crash the party Saturday somehow, drive down, hang out, stay a night, and see what kind of trouble I can get myself into while I'm down there. So for now, Roxy, come over here, Roxy, come here. She's blocking. I gotta get her. Ow, she bit me. She gets jealous. That's what it is. So me and Roxy saying bye. Thank you for watching my channel and subscribing. And at some point along this beginning of the year here, I'm hoping maybe I should make this a challenge to myself, that I get some software, you know, knowledge down, so I can figure out how to run this channel where I can like video edit and put stuff up on, like, you know, those trailers and those little buttons and all this stuff people put up on screen. Trying to make this a little more interactive kind of a channel, because it seems like there are enough of you out there that are appreciating what I'm putting up. So I definitely want to, you know, reciprocate with some extra time put into it and try to grow it. So for now, Roxy and I would like to say thank you. Happy New Year. It's going to be an awesome 2020, and we'll see you at NAMM if you're going, hopefully. Or we'll see you in the chats or on my channel in the live stream. Hopefully I can pull that together this week or something like that. Oh, by the way, I am going to be on Livewires on the 15th of January. So Dave, DR Guitars, is doing that with, I think it's Brian, right? Brian S. doing the Livewire show. So they've been really awesome to try to grow and expand and build this community that's on YouTube here. And hopefully we could expand beyond YouTube. Wouldn't that be great? Like, let's use Discord, let's use other sources in case you know, YouTube squeezes us out of this, using this as a form of building community. But I don't think they will. I think they're wise enough to know that this is something that they can benefit from, and socially people can positively benefit from this as well. So again, for the third time, I think, Roxy and I would like to say adios, amigos and amigas. From Livermore, California, Music Therapy Laz, signing out, reminding you that the secret to tone comes from your mind, but the feel comes from your heart. You just put them together, make some music. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all those things that help my channel grow. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time around. Definitely for Music Therapy Thursdays. A few days away. See ya.